Imagine waking up each morning and taking a simple step that could help protect one of your most important organs, your kidneys. Intrigued? You should be, because missing out on these essential fruits might mean missing out on a healthier, detoxed, and more energetic start to your day. So stay with me until the end to discover the top 3 fruits you absolutely need to incorporate into your morning routine. Trust me, your kidneys will thank you for it. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my future videos. And don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. It really helps the channel grow and ensures more people get to see these valuable tips. First fruit. Lemon. Lemons aren't just a vibrant addition to your kitchen. They're a surprisingly powerful ally in maintaining healthy kidneys. Bursting with vitamin C, lemons assist in combating oxidative stress, a key factor that can contribute to kidney strain. Their high citric acid content helps reduce the risk of kidney stones by preventing calcium from binding with other substances that form these painful crystals. That's why so many people swear by a warm cup of lemon water each morning. It kickstarts hydration while delivering these vital nutrients straight to your system. Beyond their nutritional impact, lemons carry a refreshing flavor that can naturally encourage you to drink more water, a critical part of healthy kidney function. Experts point out that many people struggle with adequate hydration daily, and infusing water with lemon juice is a simple, budget-friendly solution. It's also worth noting that lemons contribute a subtle alkalizing effect on the body, which can help balance pH levels that support overall kidney health. From everyday families to high-performance athletes, adding a squeeze of lemon to a morning routine has become a popular practice, with many reporting improved digestion, clearer skin, and a sense of renewed vitality. Whether you like it hot or cold, consider making lemon-infused water a staple in your breakfast lineup. Your kidneys will be grateful for the extra support. Second fruit. Cranberries. Cranberries may be small in size, but their benefits for kidney health are surprisingly substantial. Known primarily for their role in supporting urinary tract health, cranberries are packed with antioxidants like proanthocyanidins, which can help prevent harmful bacteria from clinging to the walls of the urinary tract. In turn, this reduces the risk of infections that could burden your kidneys over time. Studies have shown that individuals who regularly consume cranberries often experience fewer urinary issues, making these tart berries a natural ally for overall renal well-being. Beyond their bacteria-fighting properties, cranberries are also a good source of vitamins and minerals. Their slightly tangy taste is a bonus for those looking to spice up their morning routine, whether sprinkled in oatmeal or blended into a refreshing smoothie. Health experts frequently highlight cranberries for their relatively low sugar content compared to many other fruits, suggesting that they can be an especially kidney-friendly choice. By including cranberries in your diet, either fresh, frozen, or as an unsweetened juice, you'll provide your kidneys with added protection and help maintain a balanced internal environment for optimal function. Third fruit. Watermelon. Watermelon stands out as one of the most hydrating fruits you can enjoy, thanks to its high water content, up to 92%, making it an ideal choice for morning refreshment. Hydration plays a crucial role in kidney function, allowing your body to efficiently flush out toxins and maintain a healthy balance of fluids. By incorporating watermelon into your breakfast routine, you not only replenish lost fluids overnight, but also supply your kidneys with a steady stream of supportive nutrients, including lycopene, which has been linked to reduced inflammation. Moreover, watermelon is remarkably easy on the digestive system, so even individuals with sensitive stomachs often find it an appealing option. Its naturally sweet, juicy taste makes it a favorite among all age groups, and it fits effortlessly into smoothies, fruit salads, or simply as a standalone snack. Dietitians frequently recommend watermelon to those who struggle with hydration because it helps you increase your overall fluid intake without feeling like you're forcing down plain water. For that reason, it's an excellent first bite in the morning. Cool, refreshing, and brimming with kidney-friendly benefits. Bonus fruit: blueberries. Blueberries aren't just a colorful garnish for your breakfast. They're also packed with health-boosting properties that make them an excellent choice for supporting kidney function. One of the standout features of blueberries is their high concentration of anthocyanins, the natural pigment responsible for their deep blue hue. These anthocyanins serve as powerful antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress that can otherwise contribute to kidney damage over time. Additionally, blueberries offer a range of essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, all of which play significant roles in overall health. Their low sugar and moderate potassium levels also make them a more kidney-friendly fruit option compared to others higher in these elements. Many dietitians highlight blueberries for their versatility. You can toss them into smoothies, sprinkle them on top of oatmeal or yogurt, or simply enjoy them on their own as a naturally sweet treat. By including a handful of blueberries in your breakfast routine, you'll not only satisfy your morning sweet tooth, but also give your kidneys an antioxidant boost that helps them function at their best. Incorporating these three fruits, and our bonus recommendation, into your morning routine is a simple yet impactful way to support kidney health. Each of them offers a unique blend of hydration, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that work together to help detoxify and protect this vital organ. By starting your day with these foods, you're not just fueling your body with delicious flavors, but also taking a proactive step toward better overall wellness. Consistency is key. Pair these dietary changes with adequate hydration, regular exercise, and periodic checkups for the best results. If you found this video informative, please give it a like, share it with someone who could benefit, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on future health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.